Welcome students to the another video of English grammar. Today we are going to learn our lesson number 20, degrees of comparison. We use different forms of adjectives to show comparisons. These are called degrees of comparison. For example, read these sentences. Mohak is tall for his age. Tanya is taller than Mohak. Rohan is the tallest of the three. Here tall, taller and tallest are the 3 degrees of the adjective tall that we have used to compare the heights of Mohak, Tanya and Rohan. There are 3 types of degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. The simple form of the degrees of comparison of adjective is known as the positive degree. Here the adjective only describes the noun. This degree is used when we do not make any comparison. Read these sentences. It is a warm day. The colors in these paintings are bright. The form of the degrees of comparison of an adjective that compares two nouns is called the comparative degree. Read these sentences. Today is warmer than yesterday. Red looks brighter than blue in this painting. Form of the degrees of comparison of an adjective that compares more than two nouns is called the superlative degree. Read these sentences. Today is the warmest day of the week. Yellow is the brightest color in this painting. Note how we use the before adjectives in the superlative degree. We add er and est in the most of the adjectives. For example, weak, weaker, weakest, short, shorter, shortest, fast, faster, fastest, slow, slower, slowest. Most of the adjectives ending with e, we add r and st in the superlative degree. For example, wise, wiser, wisest, large, larger, largest, late, later, latest, fine, finer, finest. Sometimes adjectives end with the consonant plus y. We change y into ier in the comparative degree and y into iest in the superlative degree. For example, happy, happier, happiest, lovely, lovelier, loveliest, pretty, prettier, prettiest, lazy, lazier, laziest. Sometimes adjectives ending with the vowel plus y, we add er to the comparative degree and est to the superlative degree. For example, grey, grayer, greyest. Adjectives of one syllable with a single consonant in the end, we double the consonant and add er in the comparative degree, and we double the last consonant and add est in the superlative degree. For example, big, bigger, biggest, sad, sadder, saddest, hot, hotter, hottest, wet, wetter, wettest. Adjectives with more than 2 syllables. We use more before the adjectives in the comparative degree and we use most in the superlative degree. For example, wonderful, more wonderful, most wonderful. Dangerous, more dangerous, most dangerous. Some adjectives do not follow any rules of given. For example, good, better, best, many, more, most, much, more, most, old, older, elder, oldest, eldest, far, farther, farthest, far, further, furthest. When we show equality in comparing two nouns, we use as both before and after the adjective in the positive degree of comparison. For example, read these sentences. Sohan is as tall as Mohan. Seema is as smart as Rita.